Hi students, this is DJ Max. Today we are going to see about knowing our numbers. This is sixth chapter of CBSE Max. So first let us see what's numbers. Okay, this is the introduction part of your chapter. So what is number? Nowadays we can count our objects which are in smaller or large quantity very easily, right? We can easily count an object whether it is smaller or larger number. We have suitable number names also, right? We can call it like 1 2 3 etc. Then for bigger numbers we have number names like tens, thousands, hundreds, crores, lakhs, etc., right? So we are having some number names to indicate larger numbers, and we have smaller numbers also. We can indicate suitable number names for smaller numbers like 1 2 3 up to 8 10. Okay, so nowadays it's easy for us to count an object both in smaller and larger quantities. Okay, one then just imagine what about in earlier days. Okay, in earlier days, when for primitive people it was very hard to count an object. So what they did is they used to scribble in the rocks. Okay, using hard stones, they used to scribble in rocks, and that on further evolution they changed the scribbling into symbols. Fine. After using that symbols, as the human beings get evolved, the representation of the numbers also got evolved. Okay, in that way, when the human beings getting developed, the number system, the structure of the number system also got evolved, and thus we got the current number system. Okay, so the primitive people or the olden age, the people used to represent the numbers using symbols. Okay, so where do we use these numbers? Okay, so the numbers we use mainly for the main purpose of using the numbers is to count any concrete object. Okay, so the main purpose of numbers is to count. So when you use this numbers for counting in many ways, okay, like finding a bigger object or smaller object, and how we can arrange the number whether in ascending or descending, and many ways. Okay, so now the task for you is you have to list out any 5 distinct ways to represent the numbers. Okay, where you apply numbers in 5 distinct field. Okay, just list out and write it in your notebook. Now let's move to next topic. It's comparing numbers. Okay, so you all already studied about comparing numbers in the previous classes. So this is just a revision. Okay, so you know how to compare two numbers. Okay, by comparing two numbers, you can either tell it as one number is greater than another one, or one number is lesser than or smaller than another number. Okay, in that way, now we are going to compare many numbers. Okay, so with see, look in the first question, it's 92 392 4456 89742. So here we have different number of digits in each number. Here we have 2 digits, then 3 digit number, and this is 4 digit number, and the next one is 5 digit number. Okay, so when you compare some numbers with different number of digits, it's easy to find out the answer. Okay, now our target is to find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Okay, so in the first question, by looking at the question, we can answer which is the largest number and which is the smallest number. Okay, so I hope you all have found out what is the biggest number. So the tip is you have to now count out how many number of digits in each number. Okay, here from this we can understand, here we have 2 digit number, right? This is 2 digit number, and this is 3 digit number, this is 4 digit, and this is 5 digit. So which one is the biggest number here? So of course this is the biggest number. Okay, So the greatest number will be 89742 and the smallest number will be 92. Fine. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number, okay, or lowest number. So in the next question, can you find out which is the biggest number and which is smallest number? So look at this. Here we have all the numbers. We have the same number of digits for all numbers, right? So look at this. Here you have 4 digit. This is also 4 digit, and all the numbers are in 4 digit numbers. So how we can find out the bigger number or smallest number? Here we have to find out what is the first digit here. Okay, look at this. Now first digit 1, 1, 9, 9 and 9. Okay, so here how will you find out the biggest number? So you have to compare the first digit of all numbers. Okay, so let's find out which is the biggest number now. So first number of this is 9. Here also 9. Also 9. So this is obviously greater than these two numbers, right? So we have found out 3 numbers, or we have filtered out 3 numbers. So from here you have to go for the next digit, that is the third part. Here this is 2, this is 3, and again this is 2. So compare these 3 numbers, okay, this 2, 0 and 2. So from this we can find out this 9201 and 9210 is greater than this middle number, which is 9021, right? Because 2 is greater than 0, so we are filtering it out further as 9201 and 9210 as bigger number than this one. Okay, so now we have to compare these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers you have to compare. So the third digit you have to look at out. Okay, 9 2. The next number is here 0 and here it is 1. So which is the biggest number, 0 or 1? So this is your biggest number, that is 9210 will be your bigger number. Okay, so this number is your greatest number. Okay, so in the similar way we have to find out the smallest number also. How can we find out? We have already filtered out this two numbers because you have the first digit as 1, right? So any one of this will be your smallest number. So which one is your smallest number? So compare the next digit. This is 9 and this is 9. So both the digits are same. So you have to move to the next digit, which is 0 and 2. So which is the smallest digit here? 0. So this is your smallest number. Okay. So this is the concept. You have to compare each digits one by one. Okay, one by one you have to compare each digit. So I hope you understood how to do this. Okay, so the next section is try this. So can you instantly find the greatest and smallest numbers in each row? Okay, the question will be shown. You have to find out the answer on the spot. Okay, within 1 second you have to tell the answer. What is the answer for the first question? Compare the digits and tell. Okay, so here there is 3 digit, 4 digit, 2 digits, 5 digits and 3 digits. So which one is the biggest number here? So this is the greatest number. Okay, so what is the smallest number here? So this is the smallest number. Okay, so move on to the next question. Compare the digits. So you have 4 digit, 5 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 3 digit. Here we have, so this 5 digit number is your biggest number. So this is the greatest number. So to find out the smallest number, how will you do? So we have 3 digits here. So compare 100 and 310. So you know, right, which one is the smallest number here? So this is 100. Okay, so this is the smallest number here. So moving to third question. Here this is 4 digit, 5 digit, 3 digit, 4 digits, 3 digits. Okay, so here which is the greatest number here? So we have 5 digit number, which is the greatest number. So what is the smallest number here? So we have two 3-digit numbers are here. So compare this two and find out which is the smallest number. Okay, so we have 1 here, so this is the smallest number. Okay, compare the first digits of these two numbers. Fine. So move on to the fourth question. So here you have 4-digit number, 4-digit, and this is 5-digit, and another 3-digit. So we have only 3 4-digit numbers. We can ignore that, and you have this 5-digit number, which is the biggest one, greater number, and another 3-digit number is here. So this is your smallest number. Okay. So this is the way you have to find out which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Now let us compare the next two numbers, okay? 4875 and 3542. So how do you compare these two numbers? First, look what is the number in the thousands position. Okay, you know this is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So compare the digit at the thousand position. Okay. So what is the number here? It's 4 and here it is 3. So which one is the biggest number here? So obviously this is your greatest number. Okay, this is your greatest number and this is your lowest number. Okay, this is example given in your book. Then let's practice some questions. Find the greatest and smallest numbers. Okay, here what you have to do is, most of the questions we have the same number of digits. So what you will do, you have to go for the next digit and compare those numbers. Okay, that's the clue here. So try to solve by yourself and I will be doing parallelly. Okay, so 4, look at the first let us count how many digits in each number. Okay, so this you have 4-digit number, here also 4-digit, here 4-digit, 4 digits. Okay, so then check what is the number at the first digit. So you have 4 4 4. For all the numbers you have the first digit as common number, which is 4. Okay, so go for the next digit, which is this. Okay, this third digit, 5 8 3 4. Okay, so now you have to compare this third digit of all numbers. Okay, so from this can you find out which is the biggest number? So 8 is bigger than 5 3 and 4. So you have this is the greatest number. Okay, so what is the smallest number here? So 4370. Okay, 3 is smaller than 4 and 5. So you have 4370 as the smallest number. Okay, the similar way find out what is the biggest and the smallest number for the second question. So look at this, you have first two digits as common, 15 15 15 and 15. So ignore those numbers and go for the next digit. Here you have 6 0 1 8. Okay, you have to compare these numbers now. Okay, so which is the biggest number here? So 8 is bigger than 1 0 and 6. So you have 15800. This number will be your greatest number. And which is the smallest here? So 0 is the smallest. So this is your smallest number. Okay, so go for the next question. So by looking at the question, you can easily find out the first 3 digits are common, right? 252 252 252 252. So what you have to do? Compare the next digit. 8 4 7 1. Okay, so all the digits are different, so you can compare these numbers. Which one is the biggest number here? Among 8 4 7 and 1, you have 8 is the biggest number, so obviously this number will be the greatest. Okay, so which is the smallest one here? 4 7 1. Which is the smallest? It's 1. So this is your smallest number. Okay, so fourth question. So we have one number which is 4-digit number and remaining numbers are 5-digit number. Okay, so we are going to find out the biggest number. So which is the biggest here? So you have, when you compare the second digit, you have 3 4 4. So you have two numbers with 4 as the second digit. So 1 among this will be your biggest number. So which one is the biggest number here? So go for the next digit, 5 and 6. So which is the biggest number here? Comparing this 5 and 6, which one is the biggest? So this is your biggest number. Okay. So which is the smallest one? So obviously you know one number is there with 4 digits. So this will be your smallest number. Okay. Now the next task is you have to compare these two numbers. Okay. So how will you compare these two numbers? Compare digit by digit. Okay. Starting from the left to right. Okay. So the first digit, this is at the thousands position. You have to compare this two. Okay. So when you compare this two, you have the same number. So we can't compare whether it is greater or less than. So you move to the next digit. So when you compare the next digit, here you have the same number, right? So this is also same. You can't compare whether it is greater or smaller. So next move to the next digit. So that will be 7. Here also 7. So this is also same. So both numbers are equal. So you can't compare whether it is greater or less than. Okay, so both are equal. So move to the next digit, 5 and 9. Okay, by comparing these two, you can tell which one is bigger and smaller. Only by this digit you can find out which one is bigger and smaller. So which one is bigger here? So this is your biggest number and this is your smallest number. Okay. So the next topic in your chapter is how many numbers can you make? Okay. So you have given four digits and you are asked to find out how many numbers you can make. Okay. The condition is given, no digits can be repeated. Okay. So no repetition of digits can be made, but have to check how many possibilities of numbers can be made using this four digits. Okay. So I will tell you how to do this. Okay. So what are the possibilities when you have two digits? Okay. So we will go from 2. So look at this, 3 and 5 we will take it. Okay. So 5, 3. Okay. These are the two options where you can write these two numbers. Okay. These are the two possibilities. So when you include another number, okay, when you have 3 digits, imagine you have 7. Okay, now we are finding what are the possibilities of 3 digit numbers. Okay, so write down the second number, that is 5, 7, 3. Okay, then another number is 5, 3, 7. So just we have shifted this 5 for the first place and we have moved the 7 over here. Okay, then what are the possibilities left out? You can use this 3 at the first place. Okay, so here you can shuffle both 5 and 7. So 5, 7, 7, 5. Okay, so these are the 6 possibilities for 3 digit number. Okay, so look at this, how to write. First we have written it over descending order, 7, 5, 3. Okay, then keep the first digit as such and just shuffle the second numbers. Okay, so the second step is move the second highest number to the first place and then shuffle the next two numbers. The same way, the descending order, you are arranging the numbers over the third place. Okay, so now our task is we have to find how many numbers using 4 digits. Okay, so 3 digits means this is the way, and if you are adding this 8, okay, so imagine you have to add the 8 over here. Okay, so this is the one possibility when you are keeping this 8 on the first, that is this first digit should be common. Here the 8 is common. Okay, so what we will have to do, take the 7 to the this place, thousands place. So when you take 7 here, okay, for all numbers 7 should be common. and the remaining digits are 8, 5, 3. Try to arrange it in descending order for these three numbers, okay, so that you will not get confused. So how will you solve this? So 8, 5, 3. Then keep this 8 as such and shuffle these two numbers. So 3 and 5. Okay. So which is the biggest number next to 8 here among these three numbers? It's 5. So write 5 as common here. Then shuffle the next two numbers, which is 8 and 3. Okay. So 3, 8. Okay. 5, 8 and 5 over. Then the next number will be 3. So keep the 3 here. Then shuffle the numbers 5 and 8. 8, 5, 5, 8. Okay. So this is the possibility for 7 at the thousands place. So what is the possibility left out? So 7 over 8 over, then 5. We can go for the 5. Okay. That is descending order. So 5, 5. Okay. So what are the numbers left out here? So write it in descending order. 8, 7, 3. Okay. So it will be repeated again. So this shuffles 7 and 3. So 3 and 7. Okay, so 8 is over. Then what is the next number? 7. So write 7 twice. So what are the numbers left out? 8 and 3. So shuffle 8 and 3 here. Okay, so 8 and 7 is over at the third place. So what is left out? Then 7. 7, 3. So 3 is here. So what are the numbers to be shuffled? It will be 8 and 7. So 8, 7, 7, 8. Okay. This is a third possibility. That is the thousands place we are fixing it. Okay. So 8 at the thousands place. Here 7 at thousands place. 5 at thousands place. Then what is left out? 3. Right. So we will take this 3. So how it will be? 3 will be common for all the 6 numbers. And what are the numbers to be arranged? Write it in descending order. 8, 7, 5. Okay. So keep the 8 as such. 8. Then shuffle these two numbers 5 and 7. Then what is the next number next in descending order? 7. So write down 7 and shuffle 8 and 5 here. Then 5, 5 and 8. Okay. So what is the next number left out? It's 5. So keep 5 here. So when you shuffle, what you have to shuffle then? 8 and 7. So 8, 7, 7, 8. Okay. So totally you have 6 plus 6 plus 6. Then how many it will be? 24 numbers. Okay. So how many numbers can you make using this digits? 4 digits. Okay. The condition is given, no digits can be repeated. Okay. So when you are not repeating any digit and you have to find out how many possibilities of numbers are you can make. So these are the possibilities. The answer is 24. Okay. So there is a shortcut. So for 4 digits, your answer will be 4 factorial. Okay. If you know the factorial, try to understand. So this is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. When you multiply 4 into 3, it's 12. 12 into 2, it's 24. So the answer is 24. Okay. So what is the possibility if the question in the question they have given 3 digits means what is the possibility? It's for 3 digits it is 3 factorial. Okay, 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6. Right, here we have found it, right? 6 possibilities for a single 3 digit number. Okay, so hope you understood this concepts. Now the question is, you have to find out what is the greatest number and what is the smallest number among this 24 numbers. Okay, so either you can write it down and find out the answer, but the shortcut is to find the greatest number and smallest number, you can easily write it in descending and ascending order. Okay, So the greatest number, how will you find out? For this 7835, you have to write down the 7835. 7835. Okay, you have to write it down using descending order. Okay, so which is the first number? It will be, greatest number will be 8. Then next it is 7, 5, 3. Okay, so this is the greatest number for this digits. Okay, so what is the smallest number? In order to find out the smallest number, you have to arrange it in ascending order. So that is 3, 5, 7, 8. Okay, here the condition is given, no digit is repeated. So the answer will be very easy. Okay, you can easily find out the answer, but that you should know how to write the possibilities of this 24 numbers also. Okay, so learn this also and learn the shortcut also. Okay, the next topic in your chapter is try this. Okay, page number 3, try this. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Okay, have to find out 4-digit numbers without repetition. Okay, so the questions are given 2874. Okay, so the hint is also given, the first digit should not be 0. Okay, so if the first digit is 0, then it is a 3-digit number. You all know, right? 0 at the first place, you don't have any value, so it will become 754. So no thousands are here, so 0 should not be at the first place, so it will be considered as 3-digit number. Okay, so we will directly go to the solution, how to find out the greatest and smallest. Okay, so first we will find out the greatest number. Okay, we have already learned how to find out the greatest number. Have to just write it in the decreasing order. Okay, so how will you write it in the decreasing order? 8, 7, 4, then 2. Okay, so 8, 7, 4, 2. 8742 is your biggest number. Okay, so how will you find out the smallest number? How you have to do? You have to just write it in the increasing order. Okay, how it will be? 2, 4, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the smallest 4-digit number using these numbers. Okay, so we will go to the next question. 9741. So what is the greatest number? When you don't have any 0, you can just directly write it down. Okay, in the ascending and descending order. So for finding greatest number, you have to write it in the descending order. So it is 9741. Okay, the smallest number will be, write it in the increasing order. So 1479. Okay, so the next question, 4750. So when you have 0 in your digit, what you have to do is, to find the greatest number, there will not be any issue. You have to just write down in the descending order, because 7540 will be the greatest number, and for writing smallest, 0 should not be written at the first place. So what you have to do, write the next higher number. Okay, what is the next higher number? It is 4. So write 4057. Okay, then remaining numbers you have to write in the ascending order. Just shift the first 0 at the first position to the next position. Okay, so this is the hint here. So next question, here also no 0 is there, so you can just simply write it in the descending order. 7, 6, 2, 1. Okay, so the smallest number will be 1, 2, 6, 7. Fine. So the next number, here you have 3. So finding the greatest number is not an issue. Just write it in the descending order. 5, 4, 3, 0. What is the smallest number here? You have 0. So you have to shift this. Okay. So 3, 0, 4, 5 is the smallest number using this numbers. Okay. So we will move on to the next question. Okay. Page number 3, question number 2. Now make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. Okay, what you can do, you can use any one digit twice because only 3 numbers are given here. Okay, look at the questions. You have 3 digits, only 3 digits are given, so you have to make 4 digits. So obviously you have to make any one digit twice. Okay, but let's find the greatest number first. Okay, so greatest number, what you have to do, you have to write it in the decreasing order. Okay, so what is the biggest number here? 8. Okay, think in each case which digit will you use twice. Okay, so which digit will you use to find the biggest number? You have to use the first digit twice. Okay, so 8 8, then write the remaining numbers in the descending order. So it is 7 3. This is your greatest number. Okay, so how will you find out the smallest number? So you have to write 3 twice. Okay, the smallest number digit you have to write twice. 3 3 7 8. Okay, when you write any other digit, it will become a bigger number than this. Okay, so you have to use the first digit twice in both the cases. Okay, so in the second question, which is the greatest number here? So you have 0 also, so be careful. So when you write this, you have to write the first digit twice, then 5, then 0. Okay, smallest digit, how will you write? Anyway, you can't use the 0 at the first place, so you are using 5. Then you should not use 5 again. What you have to use is 0, then you have to repeat 5, then 9. Okay, be careful on writing this. What you have to do, you have to write in ascending order, but you can't write the 0 at the first place. Also, you should not write this both 5 together. Okay, so the answer will be 5059. This is the smallest number. Okay, what happens when you write 5509? It will become 5500, right? So that's the bigger number than this. So this is the answer. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. Greatest number. So write down the descending order and repeat the first digit twice. 9940. Okay, so this is the smallest number. The same way you have to repeat 4 twice, but next to 0 you have to write another 4. 4049 is the smallest number. Okay, so what is the greatest number here? Have to write 8 twice, then 5, then 1. So what is the smallest number? Write 1 twice, then 5, 8. Okay, write it in the ascending number. So the next question is page number 3, question number 3. Okay, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with the condition as given. Okay, so the options are not given. We have to write our own numbers. Okay, greatest and smallest numbers, 4-digit numbers, and the condition is given. Okay, so let's see what's the question first. Digit 7 is always at the ones place. Okay, so first we will write out what we have to find. We have to find the greatest number and smallest number. Both are 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Fine. Then these are the 2 conditions given from the question. And the sub question we have digit 7 is always at the ones place. So which is the ones place here? So this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So this is the ones place and 7 is always at ones place. Okay, now we have to write what is the greatest number with 7 at ones place. Okay, so how will you write? Greatest number means you have to write 9, 8, 7, 6 in the descending order because we have different digits. they have given, we have 4 different digits, so the same number will not be repeated again. Okay, so I can do is, greatest number means 9, then write it 8. So 7 is already there, you can't write 7 again because we have different digits, so have to write the next number to 7, which is 6. So 9867 is the greatest number. Okay, so what is the smallest number? We can write it from 0, 1, 2, 3, but we can't write 0 at the first position. So what you have to do is just write 1, then 0, then 2, 3, etc. Okay, you have to write it in the increasing order. Fine. So same way, you have another question. 4-digit number with a 4 in tens place. So we will write the conditions first. Greatest and smallest, both are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, smallest is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 digits. We have 4 in tens place. So which is the tens position? Ones, tens. So we have 4 at tens place, both the case. And now we have to write the greatest number. How will you write? We will write 9, 8, 7. Okay. The same way, what is the smallest number? 1, 0, 2. Okay. The next question is, digit 9 is always at the hundreds place. Okay, same conditions we can write. So greatest number and smallest number we have to find out. Both are 4 digits. Okay, 4 digits. And 9 is at the hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. So 9 is here. Then we have to write greatest number. So for a greatest number, you have to write the decreasing order from 9. So 9 is already there. So what can we do? Write 8. So 8, 9 is here, then 7, 6. Okay, then the smallest number. So what can do? 0 can't be written first, so you can write 1. So the next number can be 0 and 2. Okay, so it's very easy, just practice it. So one more question. Digit 1 is always at thousands place. So same way you can write greatest number, smallest number, both are 4 digits. So you can write it like this. Then digit 1 is always at the thousands place. So which is the thousands place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 1 will be here. Okay. So for finding greatest number, you can write descending order from 9. So 9, 8, 7. Smallest number you can write from 0. 1 is already there. So you can write 2, 3. So this is the smallest number. So we will see the next question. Page number 4, question number 4. Take 2 digits, say 2 and 3. Make 4-digit number using both the digits equal number of times. Which is the greatest number? Which is the smallest number? How many different numbers can you make in all? Okay. So the question given is, they have given 2 digits, 2 and 3. Both can be repeated twice. Okay. Both the digits can be used equal number of times. That is, we can use it twice. 4 digit means we can use it twice. So what is the greatest number from here? You can find greatest number means you have to write in decreasing order. This 3 and 2 you have to write in decreasing order. Okay, so 3, 3, 2, 2. This is your greatest number. Okay, both the numbers are repeated twice and written in descending order. So what is the smallest number? Same way you have to write it in an ascending order. 2 is written twice and 3 is written twice. Okay. Then the next question is, how many different numbers can you make in all? Okay, altogether you have to make how many numbers can be made. Okay, but the condition is you have to use equal number of times. Okay, so how to write this? So you can write like this. First, let's write in the decreasing order 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, just shift the position of 3. So 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, again shift the position of 3 to the ones place. 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay, then what you can do is write 2 first. Okay, then shift the position of 2 to the next place. 2, 3, 2, 3. Then shift the position of 2 to the next place. 2, 3, 3, 2. Okay, altogether we have 6 numbers. Okay, so how many different numbers can be made in all? So using this combination we can find 6 numbers. Okay, next topic in your subject is stand in proper order. In that they have given few names: Ramhari, Dolly, Mohan and Shashi. Okay, they have given few heights of their. The next topic is stand in proper order. Okay, here they have given few names: Ramhari, Dolly, Mohan and Sashi and their heights. So we are asked to find out who is the tallest, who is the shortest, and we have to arrange them in the increasing order of their heights and arrange them in decreasing order of their heights. Let's solve one by one. Okay, first we have to find who is the tallest person. From the first you have to see how many digits are there for their heights. Look at this: 160 we have 3 digits, 154 we have 3 digits, 158 we have 3 digits, 159 we have 3 digits. So we don't need to compare here for the digits, all the digits are same. Okay, so if we have 4 digits we have to filter it out, right? So but we have all the digits are same for all the heights, so the first rule is out. Then check the first digit, compare the first digit of each term. So this, for this number the first digit is 1, here also the first digit is 1, here also the first digit is 1, again it's 1. In this case you have to shift for the second digit. So we have 6 here, and for all the remaining terms you have 5, 5, 5. So compare this 5 and 6. So now who is the tallest? Obviously this is the tallest person, right? So who is the tallest person? Ramhari is the tallest person. Okay, now you have to find out who is the shortest person. So compare here. So one among these 3 will be the shortest person. So compare the next digits: 4, 8, 9. So who is the, which is the smallest number among 4, 8 and 9? 4, right? So 154 is the shortest, or the is the shortest value. So Dolly is the shortest person. So the first 2 questions are solved. Then third question is, can we arrange them in the increasing order of their heights? So increasing order means we have to write it from the smallest to biggest. So we already found this is the shortest one, right? So first let's write it. 154 is the shortest. Then compare among these 2. Okay, so which is the shortest among these 2? Mohan or Shashi? So 8 is the smallest one compared to 9. So we have to choose Mohan as the next person. Okay, so 158 is the next value. Then 159 will be the next value. So all the terms with the second digit 5 has been shorted here. So the remaining person is Ramhari with 160 centimeters height. So 160, right? So these are the arranging increasing order of their heights. We have to arrange them, right? So corresponding names we have to write. Okay, so 154 means you have to write Dolly. Then 158 it's Mohan. 159 it's Shashi. And 160 it's for Ramhari. Now the next question is, we have to arrange the arrange the following numbers in the decreasing order. Okay, so we have already arranged them in ascending order. So now the task is very easy. Okay, we can write it in the inverse way. So who will be the biggest person? Ramhari, Shashi, Mohan, and Dolly. Okay, so that's it. Next, which one to buy? Okay, here Sohan and Rita went to buy an almirah. There were many almirahs available with their price tags. Okay, here the following price tags are given for each almirah. Now our task is, can you arrange their prices in increasing order and can you arrange their prices in decreasing order? Okay, so nothing, we have to compare all these numbers and we have to arrange in increasing and decreasing order. Okay, so how will you compare? Compare the first, count how many digits in each number. Okay, so here also 4 digit. For all the numbers we have 4 digit. Okay, so we can't sort out which one is smaller or bigger by counting the digits. So the second step is we have to consider the first digit. Okay, so compare all the first digits here. So 2 1 2 1 3. So first you have to consider this 1. Okay, pick up these two numbers. So this will be the smallest one. So how will you write it? Then you have to compare the next two numbers for this, next two digits for these two numbers. Okay, so you have 8 here and 7 here. Okay, so the first term will be this. This will be the first number and this will be the second number. Okay, so next you have to consider the first digits where you have 2. Okay, next highest number after 1 is 2. So you have this number and this number. Okay, compare these two numbers. Compare the next digit for these two numbers. So this is 5 and this is 6. So which one will be smaller here? You have this one is your next number, smaller, and this is your fourth number. Okay, so obviously this last one which have 3 at the first digit, this will be your fifth one. Okay, we have numbered this in ascending order or increasing order. Okay, so we will write the answer here. So 1788, 1897, 2584, 2635, 3975. Okay, this is the increasing order of the prices and we have to write it in decreasing order. For that you have to write this from the right to left. Okay, so 3975 is the highest value. Next to that is 2635 and then 2584, then 1897 and 1788. Okay, so in the decreasing order you have to write like this. So what is ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, it can be any value which is arranged from smallest to greatest is known as ascending order, and descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Okay, learn this. And next, try this. Okay, try this, page number 5. It's given, this question is given, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, you already know how to find out the numbers in the ascending order. So first step is you have to count how many digits are there. Okay, so you have 3 digits here and 4. Okay, so first note down what are the 3-digit number. So this is a 3-digit number and this is only a 3-digit number. So which one is smallest here? You have to compare the first digits here. So obviously this 571 is in the first place. Okay, 571, then this 847. Then compare the next 4-digit numbers. Here you have to compare the first digit. So which one is the smallest here? 8, right? So 8320 is the next highest number. and then 9754 is the next highest number. Okay, so the next question, here you have to find out you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, here count how many digits are there in each number. Here you have 4 digit, here 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit. So only one number is there with 4 digit, so you can write it here first. So 9801 is the smallest number. Then you have to compare all these 5 digit numbers. Okay, so here compare the first digit, it is 2 3 3. So which one is the smallest number here? 2. So this 25751 is the next highest number. So compare the next two numbers. You have 3 at the first position. So you have to check the second digit. So 6 and 8. When you compare the 6 and 8, which one is the smallest number? This one 6. So 36501 is the next highest number, and 38802 is the next highest number. So this is the ascending order of these numbers. Okay. Next question is, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay, so we will find out. First count how many digits are there. 4 digits, 4 digits, 5 digit and 4 digits. So only one number is there with 5 digit. So that will be the first position. Okay, so this is the first position because it is descending order, right? So biggest number should be written first. So the next question is, so next number will be, all the digits are 4 digits. All the numbers we have 4 digits. So compare the first digit. 577. So we have two numbers with 7. So you have to compare the next two digits. 5 and 8. So which is the biggest number here? 8. So 7861 is the next highest number. Okay. So then this will be your third number, and this is the left one. So this is your smallest number. Okay, so biggest to smallest is the descending order. Okay. The next question, count how many digits are here. 4 digit, 5 digit, 5 digit, 5 digits. Okay, so biggest number you have to find out. So ignore this first term and compare this 3 terms. So first digit, just you compare 4, 8, 9. So which is the biggest number here? 9 is the biggest, so this is the highest number. So next to that will be 8, and next to that will be 4. Okay, third one. So this is the one which is left out, so this is the last number. Okay, so that's all about arranging in numbers in ascending and descending. Now we will move to the next topic, shifting digits. Okay, so what happens when you shift a digit? Okay, this is just for your thinking. You have to think what happened when you shift a digit. So look at this. This is 182. So when you shift the numbers like this, when you shift the 8 to the first position, 2 to the second position, and 1 to the last position, you will get a biggest number. So how will you get a smallest number? When you shift this 2 and 8, you will get 128, and this is the smallest number. Okay, by just shifting the numbers, you will get the value of the number is getting changed drastically. Okay, just compare another number, 391. So when you shift this 3 and 9, you get a biggest number. The same way, when you shift this 391 into 139, you are getting a smallest number. Okay, so the value of number is getting changed. That's the point here. Then what is happening when you exchange? Okay, exchange means just shuffling. Okay, so when you shuffle this 7 and 5 in 795, it is becoming 597. Okay, so your biggest number is becoming a smallest number. Okay, so try another number with 4 digit. So when you shuffle 7 and 1 in 7861, you are getting 1867. So this is the smallest number compared to this. Okay, just keep in mind, when you're shifting and exchanging numbers, digits in your number, the value of it, the number is getting changed drastically. So next topic is introducing 10,000. Okay, so far you have learned up to thousands. We have played numbers with thousands. Now we are introducing the new term, new number name, 10,000. Okay, so this is a number pattern. Just learn this. So this is the biggest one-digit number. 9 is the biggest one-digit number. When you add 1 with this, you are getting 10, which is the smallest two-digit number. Okay, this is the concept here. So biggest one-digit number, when added with 1, you are getting smallest two-digit number. Okay, so this is the biggest two-digit number. When added with 1, you are getting smallest three-digit number. Okay. Same way, when you add 1 with biggest three-digit number, you are getting smallest four-digit number. So in the same way, when you add 1 with biggest four-digit number, you get smallest five-digit number. Okay. The smallest five-digit number is the value 10,000. Okay, this is nothing but 10 times 1000. Okay, so the next topic is revisiting place value. Okay, so when you include 10,000, how the place value can be mentioned. So you already know how to write up to thousands. So we will learn what happened when you add 10,000 here. Okay, so you know 78 should be written as 70 plus 8, right? So 70 means 7 times 10. 10 plus 8 into 1, right? So in the same way, 278 can be written as 200 plus 70 plus 8. So 200 is 2 times 100. 70 is 7 times 10. Okay. So when you split 5278, it is like 5000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. So this can be written as 5 times 1000 plus 2 times 100 and 7 times 10 plus 8. Okay, so now up to this you will be knowing, right? So what happens when you add this 10,000 here? Okay, so this is 45,278. Okay, in the same way you have to write it. So this is 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, so this can be written as 4 times 10,000. So this is the term which is introduced here, new. Okay, so 4 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1000 plus 2 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 8. So can you tell me what is the smallest 5-digit number? So try this. Smallest means you have to put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the smallest 5-digit number. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? So you have to write 9 5 times. Okay, so this is your greatest 5-digit number. Okay, then move on to try this. So you have few numbers. You have to find out the number name and expansion. Okay, so what is this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So what is the number name? 20,000. Okay, so this is 20,000. So what is the expansion here? 2 into 10,000. Okay, so move on to the next question. 26,000. How can you write this? 26,000. How can you expand this? 2 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000. Then 38,400. So how can you write this? 38,400. So how can you expand this? 3 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 4 into 100. Okay, so that is 38,400. So the next number is 65,740. 65,740. How can you expand this? 6 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 4 into 10. That's it. So I have written the answers for other questions. So 89,324. Okay, just note it down. So when you expand, what is the value? 8 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4. Okay, in the same way, how to write the further answers? 50,000. So you don't have any numbers here. So just 50,000 and the expansion is 5 into 10,000. Okay, for zeros, you don't have to write anything. So next number is 41,000. Okay, so the number name is 41,000. When you expand, the value is 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1000. The next number is 57,630. Okay, so when you write the expansion, it is 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 3 into 10. Okay, so the next number is 29,485. Okay, the expansion is 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 10,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 5. Okay, so the next question is 29,085. Okay, so when you expand, it is 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000 plus 8 into 10 plus 5. So the next number is 20,085. So when you expand this, it is 2 into 10,000 plus 8 into 10 plus 5. The last number is 20,005. It's written as 2 into 10,000 plus 5. Next topic is introducing 1 lakh. Okay, we have learned up to 10,000 earlier. Now we are going to learn about 1 lakh. Okay, so that is the smallest 6-digit number. Okay, 1 lakh is your smallest 6-digit number. We have learned a pattern earlier, right? So greatest 2-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 4-digit number. In that way, the next line of that pattern is greatest 5-digit number plus 1 gives smallest 6-digit number. Okay, that is the only concept you have to learn here. Just try to expand for a number with 1 lakh. Okay, this is an example. So you have to count from the right. So this is your ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so 2 is your lakh value. So 2 into 1 lakh plus 4 into, this is your 10,000 value. So this is 10,000, 4 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000. This is the thousands place. And 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3. Okay, this is the way you have to expand the same pattern, but for 1 lakh, how you will write. Okay, this is an example. And try this. You have few questions. Let's try to solve this. Okay, so what's the number name for this pattern? For this number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So this is 3 lakhs. 3 lakh. Okay, 3 lakhs. So how will you expand this? 3 into lakh, right? For lakh, you have to write 1 comma, then 2 zeros, then comma, then 3 zeros. Okay, so this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so you don't have any other numbers, so that's it. 3 lakhs. What's the next question? 3 into 3 lakhs, 50,000. So write it. 3 lakhs and 50,000. So how we can expand this? 3 into 1 lakh. So you have to write like this: 1 comma 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. This is your 1 lakh plus 50,000. So 5 into 10,000. So 10 comma 3 zeros. Okay. So the next number is 3 lakh 53,500. So how will you write this? 3 lakhs 53,000 and 500. So how will you expand this? 3 into 1 lakh. For 1 lakh, you have to write 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. Plus 50,000. So 5 into 10,000. Plus 3 into 1,000. Into 1,000. Plus 5 into 100. That's the value. So the next few examples, I have written the answers here. Just look at this. 4,57,928. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, so this is 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8. Okay, so next is 4,07,928. So 4,07,928. So in your book and is not given, so don't mention and here. Okay, so just write it down like 928. So remove the and everywhere. Okay, so how can you expand this? 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8. Okay, so the next question is 4,829. So 4,829. So don't write and here. Okay, so 4 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9. So next question is 4,29. So how can you expand this? 4 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10 plus 9. So we will move to the next large numbers. Okay, so far we have learned up to 1 lakh. So now the next highest number, when you increase 1 zero, the next highest number is 10 lakhs. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digit, highest 6 digit number. Okay, highest 6 digit number plus 1 gives highest 7 digit number. Okay, so the next step is highest 7 digit number plus 1 gives smallest 8 digit number. Okay, so the same pattern you will be following. Okay, so when you write 10 lakhs, you have to write like this: 10 comma 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. Okay, so for 1 crore you have to add another one here. So complete the pattern so you will understand. Okay, so this is the highest 1 digit number plus 1, which gives smallest 2 digit number, that is 10. Then highest 2 digit number plus 1 gives smallest 3 digit number, which is 100. Okay, so highest 3 digit number plus 1 gives smallest 4 digit number. Okay, that is 1,000. So highest 4 digit number plus 1 gives smallest 5 digit number. Okay, so this is 10,000. So highest 5 digit number plus 1 gives smallest 6 digit number. It is 1 comma 0 0 comma 3 zeros. So this is 1 lakh. So highest 6 digit number plus 1 gives 10 lakhs, that is smallest 7 digit number. So 10 lakhs will be written like this. Okay, then highest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So highest 7-digit number plus 1 gives smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. So 1, 2 zeros, again 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. So this is 1 crore. Okay. So these are the highest numbers which we learned today. This is 10 lakhs and this is 1 crore. Okay. So learn this also. So 100 equal to 10 tens. Okay, you know that. Let's write it so you will be understanding. 100 is equal to 10 times 10, right? You can write like this, 10 times tens is your 100. Okay, the same way we will learn next number. So 1000. So 1000 equal to 10 times what? That is 10 into 100, right? 3 zeros. Fine. 10 times hundreds are known as 1000 and it can be also written as 100 times tens. 3 zeros. Okay, 100 tens. Then 1 lakh. So 1 lakh can be written as 100 times thousands. Okay, see, count the number of zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so same thing you can write like this, 1000 times hundreds. Okay, so 1 crore. How will you write 1 crore? 1, 2 zeros, then 3 zeros. Okay, so how can you write this? 100 times lakhs. 2. So count how many zeros are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so balance the zeros. So this is 10,000 times thousands. Okay, so here count the number of zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So this is getting tallied. Okay, so learn this also. So just don't mug up. Try to equate the zeros. Okay, so can you try this? What is 10 minus 1? It's 9, right? So what is 100 minus 1? This is smallest 3-digit number. So subtracted by 1, you will get highest 2-digit number. So smallest 4-digit number subtracted by 1, you get highest 3-digit number. Okay, so here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 nines will be there. Okay, so 10,000 minus 1 is 900 and 9,000. So the next topic is try this from page number 8. Okay, first question is give 5 examples where the number of things counted would be more than 6-digit number. Okay, they have asked to find out few examples for which we can count for more than 6-digit number. Okay, 6-digit means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So 6-digit means it comes around 1 lakh. So more than 1 lakh, you have to give few examples. Okay, I have given few examples here. Population of India, number of buses in India, number of students in a state, number of TVs in India, that is televisions, number of polices in India. Okay, you can write any 5 examples. So next question. Starting from the greatest 6-digit number, write the previous 5 numbers in descending order. That is, first you have to write the 6-digit number, greatest 6-digit number. Let's write. So greatest 6-digit number is 6 nines. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So this is 9,99,999. Okay. So you're asked to write descending order for 5 numbers. Okay, so how can you write this? 9,99,998. 9,99,997. Then 9,99,996. 9,99,995. Okay, they asked to write previous 5 numbers. So this is the answer. Okay. Another question. Starting from the smallest 8-digit number, write next 5 numbers in ascending order and read them. So we will write smallest 8-digit numbers. For that you have to write 1 and 7 zeros. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So count from here. Ones, tens, 100. You have to put a comma here. Then another comma. So this is hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Okay. So you have to write in ascending order. So just write, add 1 with this, comma, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So another number, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. Okay. So next number is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. Another number 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. So how can you read this? We have written 5 numbers next to this 1 crore. So how can you read this? 1 crore, 1 crore and 1, 1 crore and 2, 1 crore and 3, 1 crore and 4. Okay, you can write down one more number, 1 crore and 5. Okay, also write another one number, 994. Okay. Next topic is an aid in reading and writing large numbers. Okay. So how can you easily read a bigger number? Okay. So for that we can use this terms. So I have already taught you like this. You can count. You should count from right to left. Okay. In this order: ones, tens, hundreds. Right. For smaller numbers, you know how to write this. For we will see one by one examples. So the first number is 257. Okay, so that is 257. So this last unit is ones, and this 5 is tens, and 2 is hundreds place. Okay, when you expand, you can write it in the same way. You know this, right? Then the another number, this is 2902. So how can you find out this is 2000s? So you have to write ones. O represents ones, T represents tens, H represents hundreds, TH represents thousands. Okay. So this is 2902. Okay. There's no value for 10, so we are not mentioning it. Okay. So the expansion also you know how to write it, right? So this is another one bigger number with 10 lakhs. Okay. So a bigger number is given. How will you find out the value? So you have to write like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. TTH means 10,000s. Okay. 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. T lakh means 10 lakh. Okay. So how can you read this number? 32 lakhs, 75,829. Okay. So up to 10 lakhs, you know how to write this values. Okay. So we will move to next bigger number up to 10 crores. Okay, so read from right to left: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So next value will be crore, 10 crore. Okay, so how can you read this bigger number? 65 crores, 32 lakhs, 75,829. Okay. So next topic is use of commas. Okay, in page number 10, use of commas. So you all know where do we use commas for reading numbers, right? So we will use commas after hundreds. To separate thousands from hundreds, we will use a comma. Then after that, for separating thousands and lakhs, you will use another comma. And then after separating lakhs and crores, you are using another comma. Okay, so how far you have written, we will see in depth. Okay, so while writing number names, we don't use commas, right? when you are writing names, when you are writing it in the, mentioning it in the name, that is 5 crores 81,592, in that way if you are representing, you no need to write any commas. Okay, that you all know. Then commas help us in reading and writing large numbers, of course, right? When you use a comma, it will be easy for you to read a number. In Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, just note all these points. These are the points to be noted. Okay, you all know the meaning also. So try to mark commas here. Okay, so how can you read this? For reading this, what you have to do, you have to put commas from right to left. Okay, after completing 3 values, you have to put the first comma. So ones, tens, hundreds. Once you complete the hundreds value, you have to put the first comma here. So where you will put the next comma? 1000, 10,000. So the thousands is getting over and lakhs is going to start, right? So separating thousands and lakhs, you have to put another comma. Okay, so we have separated this comma for mentioning, for separating this thousands and this lakhs. Okay, so the next comma you have to use is for separating the thousands and the lakhs and the crores. Okay, so the 5 crore and this 8 lakhs are separated using this comma. Okay, so how can you read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So 5 crores, 8 lakhs, 1,592. Okay. So for the next example, how can you put the comma? The same way. After completing ones, tens, hundreds, you have to put a comma. So the next comma will be for separating thousands and lakhs. The 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So the next comma is here. After giving 2 places, you have to put the next comma. Okay, so the first comma should be after 3 digits. Then after that, you have to put the comma for each 2 digits. Same here also. So how can you read this? 3 crores, 32,000, 32 lakhs, 40,781. This one, 7 crores, 27 lakhs, 5,062. So far we have seen Indian system. Okay, we have read 1 lakh, 10 lakh, crores, and this and all the number names given for Indian number system. Okay, so we have another, you have already heard about billions, millions and all, right? So all that terms comes under international system of numeration. Okay, so we will see how to write both the number systems. So once I will tell how to write the Indian system. So for that you have to put first comma after 3 digits, and further for each 2 digits you have to separate the commas. Okay, so for from hundreds, so for separating hundreds and thousands you have using 1 comma, and the next comma is for separating thousands and lakhs, and the next comma will be for separating lakhs and crores. Okay, so here for international number system, you have to use the comma to separate hundreds and thousands. Okay, for each 3 digit you have to give this comma. Okay, for each 3 digit you have to give the comma. So this comma separates this hundreds and thousands. Okay, so now I will read for international system. You have to read from here: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Then this is 100,000. Okay, 100,000. So next one will be million. So this is 1 million, 10 billion. Next will be 100 million. Okay, so when you go for the next step, it will be billion. Okay, so first it is million, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Then it goes billion. Okay, so I repeat again, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and the next step will be 1 billion. Okay. So now we will see how many lakhs make a million. Okay. So we will write 1 million first. Okay. 1 million means 1 comma. So you have to give 3 numbers for this thousands. Okay. So 3 zeros comma 3 zeros. Okay. This is a million. Okay. So we will read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Okay, this is a million. So the question is asked, how many lakhs make a million? Okay, so we have to write the same thing using Indian number system. That is, so 3 zeros, then a comma, then 2 zeros, then a comma. So 1 and 0 will be joined. Yes, we have the same number. You have to write in Indian number system. Okay, so when you write it in Indian number system, now you can tell, right, how many lakhs make a million. So this is international system and this is Indian system. Both the numbers are same. So here you have to mention it as 1 million and here this is called 10 lakhs. Okay, so how many lakhs make a million? The answer is 10. Do you understand how to find the answer? So next question, how many millions make a crore? So first let us write 1 crore. Okay, so what is 1 crore? So how we will write? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. Okay, so this is Indian number system. Okay, so 2 zeros are separated by 2 zeros means this is Indian number system. If it is separated by 3 digits means it is international number system. Okay, so the question is how many millions can make a crore? So now we will write this into international number system. Okay, so first the 3 zeros will be same. Right? So count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the same number is written in international number system also. Okay. So here this is 1 crore. So this is how many millions? Obviously you can tell, right? This is 10 millions. So the answer is 10. So 10 millions make 1 crore. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. Okay. The next question is 1 billion equal to 1000 million. Do you understand what the meaning they are telling about? So I will write 1000 million. Okay. So I will write what is 1 billion. So we'll write from here. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion. Okay, so this is 1 billion, so you can tell it as 1000 million, right? So this is a million, so million, 10 million, 100 million, 1000 million. So this is the concept of 1 billion equal to 1000 million. Okay, you have to learn both by heart and you should know how to write this also. So the next topic is try this from page number 11. Okay, so read these numbers, write them using placement boxes and write their expanded forms. So how will you write using placement boxes? You better draw a table using ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so I will write it on the top of this numbers itself. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, you put it in a table and write it down. Okay, so you are asked to write the expanded forms also. Okay, so how will you write in expanded form? 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10. Okay, same here. How will you write it in expanded form? 9 into 10 lakhs plus 8 into lakhs, 4 into 10,000, 7 into 1000, 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10. So how will you expand this? 9 into 1 crore, 7 into 10 lakhs, 6 into lakhs, 4 into 10,000, 5 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 1 into 10. So how will you expand this? 3 into crores, 4 plus 4 into lakhs plus 5 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. Okay. So I have written the answers for you here. So if you want, you can copy it down. Okay. So we will find the questions. Which is the smallest number here? So from this you can find out which is the smallest one. So you have 2 crores here and 10 lakhs and the lakhs. Okay, see the first digit. So which is the smallest? You have lakh. Lakh, this one is the smallest number. Okay, so the smallest number is 4 lakhs 75,320. So which is the greatest number? So you have 2 crores. So which is the biggest crore here? 3 or 9? 9. So this is the biggest number. 9 crore 76,045. So 76 lakhs 45,310. Okay. So the next one is arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. So let's arrange in ascending first. Okay. So which is the smallest number here? 4 lakhs 75,320 is the first number. So the next one will be here 2 crores. So 10 lakh will be the biggest number next to this. So 98 lakhs 47,215 is the next number. And then we have 2 crores. So which one will be the first? 3 crore you have to write the first. So 3 crore 4 lakhs 58,094. And next highest term will be 9 crores. Okay, so 9 crore 76 lakhs 45,310. Okay, so this is the ascending order. Okay, so how will you write it in descending order? You have to just write it in the reverse. Okay, so this is ascending order and descending order. You have to write it in the reverse. So 9 crores 76 lakhs 45,310. So the next term will be 3 crores. Okay. So next will be 3 crores 4 lakhs 58,094. Okay. So next one will be 98 lakhs 47,215. And the next number is 4 lakhs 75,320. Okay. So the next topic is try this from page number 11. Okay. So second question, read these numbers. 4 numbers are given, you have to read it. So first let's read. For that you have to put commas from this. Okay. So after 3, then 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay. So how can you read? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs. So how you have to start from here? 5 lakh 27,864. Okay. So the next question is 95,432. Okay, so here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. So this is 1 crore 89 lakhs 50,000 49. So this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. So this is 7 crores 2,509. Okay. So how you have, so we have read this. Then we will move to the next question. This is write these numbers using placement boxes and then using commas in Indian as well as international system numeration. Okay, so you have to write using placement boxes. That is, you have to write using ones, tens. They have to put it in the table. Okay, then you have to use commas for both Indian as well as international system of numeration. So I will write. So for Indian system, we have put commas here. Okay, for international system, I will put commas here. Okay, so the first question is 527,864. Second question is 95432. Third one 189,50049. Next one is 7002509. Okay, so for international system, you have to put commas after 3 digits. So here 3 digits. So next will be here. So here also 3 digits. 3 digits. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you have to read this. How will you read this using international system? So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is 527,864. Okay. So this is 95,432. So how will you read this? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So this is 18 million 950,049. Okay. So same way, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So this is 70 million 2,509. Okay. That's it about this question. The next one is arrange these in ascending and descending order. So which one will be the smallest here? So this is the smallest one, which is in thousands. Here it is in lakhs. So this will be the second one. And the third one, you have here 18 million, and here it is 17 million. So this is the biggest one next to this, and this is the next question. So this is the, I have arranged this in ascending order. So you can write it in the reverse way for finding it in descending order. Okay. Okay, you have another one more question. Take 3 more group of large numbers and do the exercise given above. So you have to write another 3 more groups of large numbers, and you have to find out the Indian and international number system, and again you have to find out what you have to arrange it in ascending and descending order. Okay, so I'm not doing that now. You try to do it by your own. Okay, so another next topic is, can you help me write the numeral? Okay, it is in page number 11. So try to solve along with me. So first question is 42 lakhs 70,008. So how can you write it? 42 lakhs 70,008. So hundreds, 0 tens, 8. Okay, 42 lakhs 70,008. Okay, so next question, 2 crore 90 lakhs 55,800. Okay, so 2 crores, you can put a comma. Then 90 lakhs, so you can write like 90 lakhs, you put a comma. 55,000, so thousands also you see directly given, 55,000, put a comma. Then 800, so 800. Okay, very easy when you use commas. So next question, 7 crores. So 7 crores, put a comma, 60,000. So no lakhs is given. So for lakhs you have to put 0. Put a comma, thousands it's given 60,000. So this is 60,000. Then 55. Hundreds is not given. 55 is given. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. So the next question, page number 11. You have the following digits 4, 5, 6, 0, 7 and 8. Using them, make 5 numbers with each with 6 digits. Okay, so it's your choice. You can use any numbers. Okay, we will try to make any 5 numbers using 6 digits. So they have given 6 digits here. Okay, so let's write it as such: 4, 5, 6, 0, 7, 8. So this is one number. So I will write it in descending order: 7, 6, 5, 4, 0, and the 1, 4, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have all 6 here. So 2 more numbers. So 8, 7, 6, 0, 5, 4, another number, and 6, 7, 8, 5, 0, 4. So this is a number. So we have written 5 numbers. Okay, all with 6 digits. Now the question is, put commas for each. Easy reading. So how will you put commas here? So first, after 3 digits you have to put the first comma, and after 2 digits you have to put the commas. Okay, 3, 2, 3, 2. So the first question is over. Okay, so arrange them in ascending and descending order. So how will you arrange it? So I will put the numbers for ascending order here. So check the first digits. Okay, 4, 4, 8, 8, 6. So which one is smaller here? 4. So compare the next digits, 5 and 0. So which one is the smallest here? This one is smallest, and this is the first digit, first number in ascending order. So obviously this is the second number. Then comes the 6. Okay, so this is the third number. So 4. So compare this 8 and 8, then 7, 6. Here it is same, 7, 6. The next number is 0, 5. So comparing these two numbers, you are getting this as the smallest number and this is the biggest number. Okay, so I have put the numbers for ascending order, and when you write it in the reverse order, you will get the descending order numbers. Okay. So the next question is, take the digits are given, some 6 digits are given, make any 3 numbers each with 8 digits. So you can repeat the numbers. Okay, 8 digits. Put the commas for easy reading. So we will try to write the answers. So we will write as such: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have only 6 digits, by what we have to use. Here you can repeat the numbers. Okay, so total you have 8 digits. So again you can write it: 9, 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. So you are asked to write 3 numbers. So you have to write one more: 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have written 3 numbers with 8 digits using these digits. Okay, so the question is, put commas for easy reading. So how will you put commas? So from this you have to use here. After 3 digits you have to put 1 comma, then another 2 digit, another 2 digits. Okay, the same way you have here. So here in the comma. Okay. Okay, so the next question, from digits 3, 0 and 4, make 5 numbers with 6 digits. Okay, so you can easily do it. So totally 3 digits are given. We are asked to write 6 digits. Okay, so how can you write it? 304 034. Okay, 6 digits are there. So you have to write another 4 numbers. So 430403. Then 334400. So you have to make 5 numbers. So 2 more numbers you have to make. 434300. So 44303. So we have written 5 numbers with 6 digits. Now we are asked to put commas. So how will you put commas? First, after 3 digits, you have to put a comma. Then after 2 digits. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box.